Hello guys, it's me Derek. Today we'll be talking about birds of prey. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, include a species of bird that primarily hunt and feed on vertebrates that are large relative to the hunter. Number 5. The common buzzard. The common buzzard is a medium to large bird of prey which has large range. A member of the genus Boteo. It is a member of the family Accipitridae. It has a wingspan of 1.1 to 1.4 meters for an adult. Its scientific name is Boteo boteo. It has a mass of 0.43 to 1.4 kilograms for an adult and a length from 40 to 58 centimeters for an adult. Number 4. Eurasian sparrowhawk. The Eurasian sparrowhawk, also known as the northern sparrowhawk or simply the sparrowhawk, is a small bird of prey in the family Accipitridae. Adult male Eurasian sparrowhawks have a bluish-gray upperpart and an orange-barred underpart. Females and juveniles are brown above with brown barring below. Mass 220 grams. Scientific name Accipiter nisus. Conservation status least concern. Population stable. Number 3. The northern goshawk. The northern goshawk is a medium-large raptor in the family Accipitridae, which also includes other extant diurnal raptors such as eagles, buzzards, and harriers. As a species in genus Accipiter, the goshawk is often considered a true hawk. Mass 0.63 to 1.4 kilograms. Scientific name Accipiter gentilis. Conservation status least concern. Population stable. Length 55 to 61 centimeters. Number 2. The red kite. The red kite is a medium-large bird of prey in the family Accipitridae, which also includes many other diurnal raptors such as eagles, buzzards, and harriers. The species currently breeds in the western Palearctic region of Europe and northwest Africa, though it formerly also occurred in northern Iran. Conservation status near threatened. Population decreasing. Mass 1.1 kilograms. Scientific name Milvus milvus. Number 1. The peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon, also known as the peregrine and historically as the duck hawk in North America, is a widespread bird of prey in the family Falconidae. A large crow-sized falcon, it has a blue-gray back, barred white underparts, and a black head. Speed 390 kilometers per hour maximum for adults, and this is the fastest bird on earth. Wingspan 74 to 120 centimeters, and scientific name Falco peregrinus. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell, comment, share. See you later, everybody.